as you already seen in a previous video, we have just created a table. Now we will insert the values. So again we have to log in our account. As I already created my account and I have logged in this account. Have you seen that now we just run the previous script which we have already saved. We can run the script because we can have created the script, that is table created. See, so we have to run the script because the script will run then only we can continue with other things. So we have sent that one statement ran successfully, one object has been created, the table has been created. Now we can work on SQL worksheet to insert the values in that table. Insert into table name is student. We can write values, the values which we wanted to be inserted in the table, that is 1 comma, this is number. We have the name is, we can write any name which we want. It's being in single inverted commas because it's being var character. Then we can insert the marks of the student. Just we inserted it and done it. So we just wanted it again and again, so we selected all and copy it, and then the next line we just paste that it, so we can insert the next value. So we want to insert at 2 entry is, we have changed the name Sudha to someone else which we want, that we have done Sakit, and we inserted marks is being 200. Again we just inserted that copy paste, and then we have inserted third entry of the name of the student is as we have not increased the marks of the student, might be 300 400. Then we just inserted again next query. As we have already known, we have not created the number as in primary key, so it can be repeated also. So we just repeat it and write it another name, Naresh, and just we have not created that as same, so we can just create the same name. See, no effort will be done for that. We can also create some tables which we do not have the name marks in that, so you can remove that. We can only insert the two tables also, and we have interface with the change the name as, again we can insert something like that only with no marks in that. So we have done all the entries, 7 entries. We can just run that script. So all the rows are being inserted. Then we just save the script. So we can see the script has already been saved. Just save the script. You can just write the name over there as insert query in student table. Open our new SQL worksheet, clear the data, and then we just perform the select query. Select star form, select star form, and the table name is student. See our entries. We can see our entries which we have performed over here. We have made the entries. These are visible on over here. Hope this topic has been clear to you all.